Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete voicemail on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete voicemail on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the phone app, then locate and select voicemail. Now you see all your voicemail here. Now to delete all your voicemail, click on edit at top right, then go ahead and check the voicemail you want to delete. Once you check them all, go ahead and click on delete. Then you see the voicemail deleted. Then if you click on deleted voicemail, then you see all your deleted voicemails. You can now go ahead and click on the clear button at the top right to clear your deleted voicemail, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to delete voicemail on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.